Hi guys! So today I am going to make or I'm going to prepare jeyuk. Yan. Or yung sweet and spicy pork ng mga Korean. So in this recipe we'll be needing pork of course. Mas gusto ko yung ganitong slice kasi gagamitin ko yan para sa rice roll ko. And also you can have the bacon type or the thinly sliced na pork. And also we'll be needing garlic, sugar, gochujang or the chili paste, and of course ang sesame oil. So these are the ingredients na kakailangan natin. So, let's get started. Firstly, let's add the garlic. Okay, so it should be minced ha. Kung tinatamad ka magtagtad, use a food processor. And also, etong ating 1 tablespoon of gochujang. 1 tablespoon muna kasi paglulutuin din naman natin, gagamitin din natin ng gochujang. And let's add the sesame oil. Let's add a tablespoon. Okay, so that's it. This recipe is very easy, very simple, and also 1 tablespoon of sugar. We can adjust it pag nagluto na tayo. And all you have to do is to mix it. Okay, so I wear gloves para naman hindi mamaho ang aking mga daliri o ang aking kamay. So, yan. Make sure na ma-coat ang bawat slice ng meat. And, ayan. Ang bango, guys. Etong recipe na to is very yummy. Ma-enjoy ito ng family ninyo. I'm sure most of you are Korean fanatic. Korean fanatic, or I mean Korean food lover na. Ayan. So, yung marination natin, very light lang muna yung gochujang nilagay natin at yung sesame oil and the garlic. Ayan, so ayan na. Pag sa tingin nyo i-combine ng lahat ng ingredients or yung mga nilagay natin, yung mga nilagay na pampalasa dyan, is, pwede nang i-transfer. Okay, so I prepared microwavable plastic container here. So, just that. Very easy, di ba? Ang bilis. So, bukas, ready na to. Pang gumawa nito. So, yan. Dahil sa biglang pag-iisip. O dahil sa biglang naisipan. So, there you go. O, diba, mukha lang tosino. And, ilalagay lang natin ito sa fridge. Huwag ilalagay sa freezer ha, para mas kumapit yung lasa. Dapat sa lang, chiller lang. So, there you have it. Jeyuk.